Very nice. Thank you. Really, I appreciate giving some time for me. For your historical visit to Lebanon, people still got to see you again. Because, second, I would like to commend the work of, the exceptional work of Nancy Paolo Borgia, especially made out of stone. This is cedar, and this is Patriarch Way. That's him. And this is relic. And this you can read it by the Maronite.
Of course, the idea of community, looking for ways of
Okay.
Special autograph for peace.
Definitely.
And this is the album of the Apostolic Palace. Goodbye.